Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 7th Subject Maths, Chapter number 11, Circle, Practice Set 42. On page number 77, you can see this table is given. Complete the table below. Your radius is given, diameter and circumference is not there. Your radius is not there, diameter is there, but circumference is not there. So your radius and diameter both is not there, only circumference is there. Same, the fourth sum is there. So first of all, let's learn the formula related to this practice set. So diameter in equal to 2 radius. So and radius equal to d upon 2. And circumference formula 2 pi r, or you can use circumference is equal to pi d. And you have to remember the value of pi will be 3.14, or otherwise you can write 22 upon 7. So let's solve the first sum. Given r is given, as you know, 7 centimeter, and radius is given. Diameter you don't know, circumference you don't know. So first let's find the diameter. So let's see the diameter formula, that is 2r. So here I have written 2r. So 2 multiplied by 7, r you know, that is 7 radius. So 2 7s are 14. So diameter you get, that is a 14 centimeter. So you have to write here 14 centimeter. Same way circumference we will find equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi value we are writing 22 upon 7 here, into radius we already know, that is 7. So 7 ones are 7 ones are. So what remains? 2 multiplied by 22. So you will multiply, you will get 44. So that means circumference 44 centimeter is there. So same way you have to write here circumference 44 centimeter. Same way second we will solve. Radius we don't know, diameter 28, and circumference we don't know. So that means we have to find radius. So we will use the radius formula, radius equal to d upon 2, diameter upon 2. So diameter is 28 upon 2. So in 2 table 28 comes, 2 ones are and 2 fours are 8. So 14. So answer is 14 centimeter radius. Now let's find the circumference. 2 pi r. We will write 2 as it is, pi value 22 upon 7, and radius value is 14. So this 7 2s are 14. Now what remains? 2 into 22 into 2. It will give you 88 centimeter. So in this way you have to solve second. Now let's see the third sum. R we don't know, radius we don't know, and we have to circumference is given 616 centimeter. So first let's find the circumference. So as you know, the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. So circumference value is 616, 2, and pi value is 22 upon 7, and radius we don't know. So that's why only r we have written here. Now we will multiply this 2. 116 multiplied by 7, here we have written, and 2 into 22 at denominator, and r outside. Now let's multiply this 2. We get 4312, and 2 multiplied by 22, 44. So you will divide this, you will get answer 98 centimeter. Now we get the radius. Similarly we will find the diameter. As you know, the diameter formula 2r. So 2 multiplied by 98, you will get 196 centimeter. Same way you can solve the fourth sum. Radius is given, not given, sorry, and diameter is not given. Circumference is 72.6 centimeter, and circumference is 2 pi r. So circumference value is given 72.6 into 2 into 22 upon 7, radius we don't know. So again r we will take out outside, and this 72.6 multiplied by 7 and 2 into 22. So what is the answer? 5 508.2 upon 44. So as you can see this answer. So here I have divide and show you how we get 115.5 centimeter. So in this way we have divide and we get. Now we will find D, diameter, 2R. So 2 multiplied by 115.5. Here I have done the multiplication. So answer is 231 centimeter. Same way we will solve the fifth sum. If the circumference of the circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. That means circumference is given. You have to find radius. So as you know, the circumference formula is 2 pi r. So circumference 176 into 2, pi value 22 upon 7, r we don't know. So again we will take out r outside. So 176 into 7 and 2 multiplied by 22. So what we get? We have multiplied this 2. We get 1232 upon 2 into 22, 44. So we have divide this. As you can see here in rough work, I have divide and show you. So answer is 28 centimeter. So in question number 2, the radius of the circle is 28 centimeter. Now let's see the third question. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4-round finance around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? So that means a circular garden is there and in this radius is given, that is 56. And what would it cost to put in 4 rounds of finance around? Now what is finance means? Wiring. 4 round, like 1 round is this. So in this way 4 round should be there. And 1 round the rate is of 40 rupees. So what will be of 4 round the rupees? So first of all let's see the circumference of circular garden. That means the whole circumference we will see because we just know the radii. So circumference formula 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 56. 56. So 7 8s are 56. Now what remains? 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 8. You will get 352 meter. So the length of the area required for 1 round of finance is 352 meter. So that means the length of the wire required for 4 rounds of financing will be 352 multiplied by 4 because we have to see the 4 rounds. अभी हमने circumference देख लिया, that is 352 and now we have to see the 4 rounds. So answer will be 1408 meter. So that means the cost of 1408 meter of wire equal to rate into length of wire. So rate is 140 as you know and the length of the wire is 1408. So we have multiplied these two, we get 56,320. So the cost of rupees 56,320. So in this way you have to solve question third. Fourth, the wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotation will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometers? So in this you know the diameter of bullock cart wheel, that is 1.4 meter. And you have to see how many rotation does a wheel complete 1.1 kilometers. So let's see. First of all, we will find the circumference of the wheel, that is C is equal to pi d. Why we have used the pi d formula of circumference? Because your radius is not given. That's why circumference is equal to pi d. So circumference is equal, pi value is 22 upon 7 and d d means diameter value is 1.4. So 7 2s are 14, so 0.2. So 22 multiplied by 0.2, your answer will be 4.4 meter. The total number of rotation will be total distance upon circumference. So total distance is how much? 1.1 here kilometer, and here 44 is the 4.4 circumference we have taken out. But this kilometer here, as you know, 1 meter equal to 1000 kilometer. So that's why here we have written 1.1 into 1000 upon 4.4. So we have multiplied this, we get answer 1100 upon 4.4. So you have to remove point. So I am writing 10 over here. So answer is 11,000 upon 44. So let's divide and check. Here I have divided 44 divided by 11,000. We get 250 meter. So in this way the wheel complete 250 rotations. You have to remember in this way. So here we complete this practice set. Thank you, students.